because x is isolated. So this is equation 1, and this is equation 2. And x has been isolated, so this is the value of x. What would you do with it to try and solve for y?
It says you have to use...
You want to put this into the other equation. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's substitution. You're substituting it in. Yeah. So instead of writing x, you would write 4y minus 94 plus 8y equals 218. So the question says, after you substitute, what would the answer be once you expand? You have to expand this because there's brackets. So what they're asking is when you multiply, right, this times this and this times this, what's the final answer once it's simplified? To do this, this is distributive property. You're distributing this number, multiplying it by the terms in the bracket. That's called expanding. You're expanding this. You're making it kind of, right? And then you have to simplify it. So it's going to be...
It's A.
Right. So 3 times 4y is 12y, and then 3 times negative 94 is...
It can't be just 94.
Right, exactly. So it's 282 plus 8y equals 218. So this is expanded. We expanded. Okay. But what if I ask you now to simplify? So they didn't ask you to simplify it, but if we were to simplify this, we have to combine our like terms, right?
Yeah.
So 12y plus 8y is...
20y.
20y, and then we have 218, and we have this negative 282, which we're going to add. So 500, and then if we want to solve for y, let's just do this for practice. Okay. Divide both sides by
20.
Right, and then what do you get? Y equals 25. So once you know y, we can figure out x, and we can actually, let's just finish this off. We can use the first original equation because it already says x equals something. X equals 4.
X equals 6. Wait.
Well, it'd be 4 times y, which is 25.
Yeah.
Yep, you're right. You did it in your head. Minus 94. 4 times 25 is 100. Minus 94. So I just want you to remember to show all your steps, okay? Show step by step what you're doing. We're plugging in our value of y, simplifying, and solving it.